Alright, so hey, ooh wee. Alright, so hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl mainly C. Thank you for coming back. If you're new, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Do all that. So I'll go ahead and give you a little second. Alright, so anyways, today is Tuesday. I just did my hair and my makeup. I switched my wigs because the other wig I had, it just had too much hair on it. I was not used to all that hair on my head, so I went back to a wig that was already pre-made because I didn't have time to like redo the other one for the shoot. Hold on. Alright, focus, focus, focus. Okay, so yeah, anyways, just changed my hair. I decided to get ready for, I decided to go ahead and get ready for my photo shoot that I have going on today. Oh my gosh, this crew neck always kills me. But yeah, I have a photo shoot today. I actually have to leave my house in the next like 15 or so minutes, but I just wanted to hop on here and say hey really quick. Trying to get a vlog out for you guys, but I just don't know how I'm gonna make it happen today because I'm going to be the model. I have my photographer. I did have another model, but we had to reschedule with her, so it's just gonna be me modeling, and I just don't know how I'm gonna record while I'm shooting. So I'm super excited for this shoot. My photographer is Man-Made Productions, so if you're in the Atlanta area and you're looking for somebody to help you with your business, hit him up. He's good at just about everything. But yeah, anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, so hopefully I can vlog this shoot. If I can, I'm about to try on some pieces with some shoes really quick before I leave the house. So I might just show you guys a sneak peek that way. I'm low-key rushing. I have to go get my clothes out the dryer, so you guys pray for me, pray for me. Alright, so I need to put on some panties first and foremost. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. We got London on the track, bitch. Okay, so it looks like it's trying to thunderstorm. Like, it is so dark outside. I'm just praying that the sun peeks back through. Right now, I had to reschedule with the model. And now, I'm waiting to get back from our photographer. Alright. So, yeah, this is still RAMAEINC. Top, shorts, catch flights, not feelings, RAMAEINC. Hair, Rame hair collection. Lashes, Rame hair collection. I lost one lash, so I doubled up on like 2 lashes, so they're thicker for this photo shoot. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go. I want to kind of put some more curls on my hair because I feel like my hair is just gonna flop. But I don't know, we'll see. All right, so see you guys. Pray for me, pray for me, pray for me. Pray for me. I'll keep you guys updated. If I'm not able to end this vlog today, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I'll probably insert footage from another vlog, from another clip, something else. Give you guys a couple more minutes. But I hope you guys really like the clothes. Let me know which one's your favorite. And yeah, everything will be in the description box below if you're interested in shopping. So yeah, shop RAMAEINC. You guys support my brand. Anyways, see you guys later. Hey.
Huh?
I'm not talking to you.
No, it didn't fall.
Huh? It did fall. Alright, hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, we're about to shoot. Ooh.
I'm looking through the light. I'm trying to get the light.
Huh? So yes, we are shooting some headshots just because. But this thing hurts my eyes. Oh my.
I was just gonna tell you with your head up too.
Really?
Yeah.
Guys, look at this. Look at you girls.
You know, I'm gonna like, yeah, she just put her headshot.